Welcome to our Grow Life channel. In today's episode, I will show you 3 different organic ways to control pest and insect and also fungal disease of wax guard plant. As an organic fungicide and as an organic insecticide, turmeric powder having a lots of component which may affect on insect directly. For this reason, you can use turmeric powder to protect your ashguard plant from almost any type of disease. To use turmeric powder, just add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of detergent powder or liquid soap. Then add 5 liters of water. After preparing this solution, spray it on your ashguard plant in interval of every 7 days. This will protect your plant from almost 90% of insect related disease and fungal attack. Turmeric powder having lots of antifungal and also some antibacterial component which protect plant from any type of disease. It also protect plant from bacterial wilt or bacteria related disease like root rot or dumping off. The second way I want to prefer you for controlling pest and insect on ashguard plant is using of neem leaf. Neem leaves is a perfect insecticide for organic pest control. For this reason, you may protect your ashguard plant from mealybug, white fly, fruit fly or any other pest by using this neem pesticide. To prepare neem pesticide, just take 250 grams of neem leaf and add 3 liters of water, then boil it for 15 minutes. After boil it properly for 15 minutes, just wait some time to get it cold. Then collect the water and spray this pesticide on your plant. It's very effective for controlling almost any type of insect. The best thing of this insecticide is that you can also reserve it into freezer. Actually, you may store it for up to 2 months in a deep freezer. The third organic way to protect plant from disease and insect attack is to use color trap. Actually, color trap contain something like dominating color like yellow or orange. This color attract all kind of insect, and when insect come on the side of trap, they get trapped and get die. This process will also protect your ashguard new fruits from fruit fly, and it's also effective for all kind of insect. So try to use these 3 organic disease control method on your wax guard plant and get a good result on gardening. Thanks for watching the full video.